Thanks to the generous sponsorship of IMC and the Bank of Telecom, over the summer of 2020, the Darwin200 ship set sail on a voyage of discovery.
Thank you, IMC!
Our goal was to circumnavigate the entire UK over 7 weeks in the tall ship Pelican of London. In partnership with the University of Plymouth, 10 young scientists took part in the voyage and undertook a series of experiments and studies around the British Isles to assess the health of UK waters and marine life. These young scientists studied sustainable energy sources,
22!
a UK-wide survey of plastics in our waters, ocean pollution levels, a systematic survey of dolphins and whales, and studies of other marine life and many other research projects. 35 young trainee sailors from across the UK and beyond also took part and braved conditions sailing around the British Isles. These young sailors left the ship with new skills, passion and energy for their careers. And tens of thousands of people followed the Darwin200 voyage and learned about conservation of marine ecosystems. On behalf of the whole team, a massive thank you once more for enabling the Darwin200 UK Voyage to take place.